Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
She has money problems.
She has money problems.
Does Coca-Cola contain caffeine?
Does Coca-Cola contain caffeine?
I'm blind, not deaf.
I'm blind, not deaf.
I don't want sympathy.
I don't want sympathy.
I miss that place.
I miss that place.
I'll accept that responsibility.
I'll accept that responsibility.
I've been to church.
I've been to church.
It made me think.
It made me think.
I'm not even Canadian.
I'm not even Canadian.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
Tom won the race.
Tom won the race.
Carol is studying Spanish.
Carol is studying Spanish.
The two buildings adjoin.
The two buildings adjoin.
Certainly she is correct.
Certainly she is correct.
The man stood up.
The man stood up.
She is over 20.
She is over 20.
How is the smell?
How is the smell?
This decision is final.
This decision is final.
That's the right answer.
That's the right answer.
She came back disappointed.
She came back disappointed.
We are good friends.
We are good friends.
The diary is horrible.
The diary is horrible.
Where is the judge?
Where is the judge?
All the apples disappeared.
All the apples disappeared.
She's gonna be okay.
She's gonna be okay.
At midnight everybody entered.
At midnight everybody entered.
Tom is always exaggerating.
Tom is always exaggerating.
Answer me right now.
Answer me right now.
I heard you laughing.
I heard you laughing.
Tom was clearly shocked.
Tom was clearly shocked.
Steel traps are illegal.
Steel traps are illegal.
Stupidity is no excuse.
Stupidity is no excuse.
The cat catches mice.
The cat catches mice.
Who believes in God?
Who believes in God?
Parents love their children.
Parents love their children.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
Fasten your seatbelts.
Fasten your seatbelts.
You can't blame me.
You can't blame me.
This might be it.
This might be it.
Tom is probably jealous.
Tom is probably jealous.
He carries himself regally.
He carries himself regally.
I am not French.
I am not French.
I'm bored at home.
I'm bored at home.
It's just too soon.
It's just too soon.
Just let her go.
Just let her go.
Do you recognize me?
Do you recognize me?
Tom ran to school.
Tom ran to school.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Here, see for yourself.
Here, see for yourself.
I bid against him.
I bid against him.
Old age is merciless.
Old age is merciless.
You need a nap.
You need a nap.
Look at that mountain.
Look at that mountain.
Tom hasn't yet succeeded.
Tom hasn't yet succeeded.
I like the actor.
I like the actor.
I just bought this.
I just bought this.
Mary's tears vanished immediately.
Mary's tears vanished immediately.
Nothing would persuade him.
Nothing would persuade him.
We clean ourselves there.
We clean ourselves there.
Tom is graying fast.
Tom is graying fast.
That doesn't make sense.
That doesn't make sense.
You're a powerful woman.
You're a powerful woman.
I'm on to something.
I'm on to something.
I won't be silent.
I won't be silent.
Bring her to me.
Bring her to me.
We chartered a bus.
We chartered a bus.
I'm investigating a murder.
I'm investigating a murder.
Is Tom behaving himself?
Is Tom behaving himself?
Tom thinks I'm exaggerating.
Tom thinks I'm exaggerating.
Tuesday is Independence Day.
Tuesday is Independence Day.
This failure saddens me.
This failure saddens me.
Tom must be winning.
Tom must be winning.
I've already explained that.
I've already explained that.
How small is it?
How small is it?
Wow, it's hot today.
Wow, it's hot today.
I've never been camping.
I've never been camping.
This medicine tastes horrible.
This medicine tastes horrible.
Is there a milkman?
Is there a milkman?
Stop war. Start love.
Stop war. Start love.
I'm all for it.
I'm all for it.
Where exactly is it?
Where exactly is it?
Those are your choices.
Those are your choices.
This place is awesome.
This place is awesome.
Congress passed the bill.
Congress passed the bill.
Has it stopped raining?
Has it stopped raining?
Do you speak Polish?
Do you speak Polish?
She rented a room.
She rented a room.
I began to cry.
I began to cry.
Dan is finally here.
Dan is finally here.
I use this desk.
I use this desk.
This egg smells bad.
This egg smells bad.
Someone lost a wallet.
Someone lost a wallet.
We couldn't help weeping.
We couldn't help weeping.
They said it's okay.
They said it's okay.
I was very angry.
I was very angry.
Clean the table already.
Clean the table already.
Tom talks very fast.
Tom talks very fast.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Thanks for your email.
Thanks for your email.
He was killed instantly.
He was killed instantly.
It was child's play.
It was child's play.
Don't you love cats?
Don't you love cats?
What is his age?
What is his age?
Get on the cat.
Get on the cat.
That's just not possible.
That's just not possible.
I love the French.
I love the French.
But I wasn't afraid.
But I wasn't afraid.
Is this your wine?
Is this your wine?
I didn't kill anyone.
I didn't kill anyone.
I just saw one.
I just saw one.
I like disco music.
I like disco music.
It is otherwise correct.
It is otherwise correct.
Stop pulling my hair.
Stop pulling my hair.
Tom abused my trust.
Tom abused my trust.
Tom was very influential.
Tom was very influential.
We're not young anymore.
We're not young anymore.
The officers were satisfied.
The officers were satisfied.
Lovely sunset, isn't it?
Lovely sunset, isn't it?
The mall is deserted.
The mall is deserted.
Now it's your serve.
Now it's your serve.
I couldn't kill Tom.
I couldn't kill Tom.
Be happy and smile.
Be happy and smile.
She has good sense.
She has good sense.
Be a good listener.
Be a good listener.
We have 10 cattle.
We have 10 cattle.
That was uncalled for.
That was uncalled for.
Tom doesn't play baseball.
Tom doesn't play baseball.
I'll take attendance first.
I'll take attendance first.
We couldn't stop it.
We couldn't stop it.
He drinks only water.
He drinks only water.
Don't talk to her.
Don't talk to her.
These boxes are fragile.
These boxes are fragile.
I had an idea.
I had an idea.
They know what's happening.
They know what's happening.
Who's here with you?
Who's here with you?
Where is your cap?
Where is your cap?
Tom's stuff is everywhere.
Tom's stuff is everywhere.
Let's go and investigate.
Let's go and investigate.
Tom often visits me.
Tom often visits me.
I've almost got it.
I've almost got it.
We're surprised and shocked.
We're surprised and shocked.
Apparently, I was wrong.
Apparently, I was wrong.
Tom has good handwriting.
Tom has good handwriting.
What's your favorite symphony?
What's your favorite symphony?
Just leave Tom alone.
Just leave Tom alone.
Please pass the carrots.
Please pass the carrots.
She is always smoking.
She is always smoking.
This stuff is dynamite.
This stuff is dynamite.
Tom likes carving pipes.
Tom likes carving pipes.